Hello crafters, I'm Leah from leahgriffith.com. This is video 3 of a 5-part series where I preview the new Glowforge Aura. And this craft project is one of my favorites. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable cacti coaster set from acrylic. And you can see here how it works. Glowforge is making their proof-grade materials in this convenient 12 by 12 size, which will fit nicely into the new Aura. Once again, my favorite thing about their proof-grade materials is this QR code on the front, which is on their protective masking layer. They've released their thin acrylic for the Aura in 6 different colors. We have red, green, teal, purple, orange, and black. You can see when you peel back the paper, there's the beautiful color right there. And for this project, I'm going to be using the green. When I place the acrylic sheet onto the Aura tray, the little camera in the lid automatically scans the code and prepares the setting for me. I've selected the coaster artwork, which I can see in the app, and you have the option to score or engrave the cactus needles. Then I have the choice between engrave, cut, or score, and I will choose cut for the 4 coaster discs. Now select print, and once you press that flashing button, you can sit back and watch the crafty magic happen. Something to note when you're using the laser cutter is that you will need some ventilation. You can either place your machine by a window, and then you can use a connecting tube so it can blow outdoors. Or you can purchase a personal air filter that's been made just for this machine. It is connected to run at the same time as your Aura, so you can create from any room in your home. Cutting this acrylic on the Aura is actually a breeze, and it's so much fun. For the base of the cacti, I used proof-grade bass plywood rather than plastic, but it's up to you, which this bass also has the QR code attached. You'll want to move your coaster layers off the material area and replace them with the base piece, which is a circle with a single slit. Select cut, and you're ready to go. Glowforge is working on a new proof-grade vinyl, which should be on the market soon, and that's what I use to create my little cacti needles. Just note that any vinyl that you use on any laser machine must be laser safe. Once you've cut your vinyl, go ahead and peel off the backer papers and weed your vinyl. Place your vinyl onto the transfer film and use a tool to press it on firmly. And then make sure you cut out a nice circle set for each side of the coaster discs. I've laid out my coasters in the direction that they will sit once assembled because I want to make sure the needles are pointing up on both sides of the cacti pieces. This is so much fun. I just love working with vinyl. To assemble this, I'm going to use a terracotta pot with a 4-inch opening to fit the wood base. I like to fill the pot with poly pellets, or you can use small stones to add some weight, and then I'll glue that wood base into place. You can arrange the little cacti discs for the coaster display, and it's ready to use. Be sure to check out all the videos in this series for more projects using different materials. And the next craft I'll be making on the Aura are these 2 wood standing deer.